Hey guys, it's Bill Masquez with MarineMax and Stuart. Finally, a sunny day in Florida that is not that cold, and I want to show you this awesome 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Not too big, not too small, just the right size. You can easily entertain 8-10 people if you have to, or go fishing or do anything in between. Really a very nice solution for Florida boating. Let's hop up on board. So we start from the back. You have the V8 300 Mercury, perfect power match for this boat. Gets you in plane in no time. You cruise, up to 40 miles per hour, and you're about 50 mile per hour boat. Nice platform. This seat is protruding intentionally to show the configurations. Otherwise, it's flat, just like that. So a perfect casting platform. Plenty of rope holders and cup holders. Your fuel intake is over here. And the middle, you have a live well. This boat would have 2 live wells. Let me show you here. And then the second one is underneath the helm seat, which I'll show you right now, which is your main live well. You have a freshwater wash right over here. The cushions completely go out of the way, like so, when you don't use it as a seat. The helm seat is the reversible seat. You have an option for a non-reversible deluxe seat with storage. This one does have the live well and the second seat, so you can sit facing aft and still be able to drive the boat with a back support. Actually, for my size, I would use it just like that. And then you can turn it all the way back and have a nice, comfortable seating for 2. Digital throttle. The start button is on the side. Automatic trim right over here on the side. Trim tabs. You have your basic switching, VHF radio, the stereo. Nice little storage cabinet over there for your phones or whatever. Induction charger for your cell phone right up on top. And also you have 2 types of USB ports that you can connect your phone in order to integrate the stereo if you don't want to use Bluetooth. Storage for your life jackets up here, map light in the center, white and red. Nice 12-inch multifunction screen. Moving towards the bow. Awesome seating area over here for 2. Girls will be here all day. And you could even seat more forward. I'm sorry, one of the cushions is missing right now, but you do have a cushion for the anchor locker up in the front. You see the 2 configurations with the back up and the back down. There is an option for a table that will sit right over here on a J-hook and a steel platform that mounts on the side. This box right underneath this cushion, you actually do not need to remove the cushion because the handle is on the side. It drains right out into the ocean without a macerator pump, and it's fully insulated. The anchor locker right up front. Again, drains out into the sea without a macerator. And if you want to use it as a casting platform, you remove everything and you have plenty of space. Additional options may include a trolling motor or a jack plate for the motor on the back. You name it, you customize it the way you want to. This has the car top, and also I want to show you the storage that's underneath this. It's drainable, macerated, and insulated. And then finally we have the head which is right over here. You have a plumbed in porta potty. And also this boat comes with covers for the helm seat and the helm itself right over here. We have the VHF, as I mentioned before. Very simple boat, easy to handle. The stereo is the premium stereo. You can see all the speakers around the boat. It is really very capable on having a party, going fishing, cruising around at the sandbar, whichever way you want to use the boat. Again, I'm Bill Mascus, MarineMax in Stuart. Please contact us for more information, either on the website or you can call me at 203-808-5088. Thank you for watching.